Are you tired of being cold this winter? Hang around. I got a solution for you. We just got these new heated vests and gloves. We're fixing to unbox them. We're going to put the batteries in. We're going to see how they work. Right now it's around 30 to 35 degrees. Can't wait to get these on and get heated up. First off, I'm going to do one of these vests. This is for the men's. This is going to be the extra large. We're going to try this one out. Unbox this, see how it is.
It says on here that it has all these little pictures, you know, UTV, ATV, motorcycle, boat. It looks like it's going to be a great product to try to keep you warm doing anything at this point. All the hiking and hunting and fishing that we do, this should be amazing. It's lightweight.
Check that out. That looks pretty good right there. We're going to unbox the other one real quick.
Now these are just vests that were sent to us. They're an extra large men's, and what is this one?
I think this is the 2XL for me.
Okay.
Maybe a little big on her, but that's okay.
Comes with a user guide.
Wow. These are the gloves. Gonna unbox those and see what those look like. Looks like they come with their own battery. Cords. User guide. Oh, 2 batteries for the gloves. Look at those.
Probably one for each hand.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Look at these. I'm telling you. Talk about warm. These already look warm. I can't wait to get these on.
Yeah, it's really chilly this morning.
My hands are freezing. I can't feel a thing hardly.
I was not expecting this cold. So excited about these. I'm the type of person that loves the cold but hates to be cold.
Now these vests come with a lot bigger batteries. These are for the gloves. And these are for the vest.
It looks like it's got a charger, and it looks like it's going to be like you can charge both batteries out of one charger, like at the same time.
That's a pretty good sized battery for the vest. I don't know how many amp hours it is.
So you have the charger, and you can charge both batteries off of one charger, which is very convenient.
Let's see if we can figure it out without the instructions.
Comes with a bag to keep your gloves and batteries and everything contained in that one bag. Nice.
We'll put the links for all this stuff down in the description below. But we're going to get these, I think we're going to get these batteries charged up, and then we're going to get them put in these vests, and we'll give you a review. Hang with us.
So it's got these little zippers here. I don't know if you can see that. It's got this little zipper. So this little cord comes out of that zipper here, and that's where you attach your battery pack. You put that here, and then your battery pack just slips right back into this little zipper part so that you don't lose it.
And you got to do that on each one?
On each one.
Oh, yeah, you got to hold it down.
And it turns on. Okay.
Push and you hold it down and it turns red. Yep.
All right.
Hold it down
I
again,
got that one
turns it
on. I got that one
for
on.
a second while we do put these batteries in the vest.
Oh my goodness. This is like fully insulated already. No, it's not warm yet. But on the inside, I don't know if you can see here, it's got fleece, Sherpa, whatever you want to call that. And this is a large. It's got these pull tabs to make them tighter around your wrists so they don't slip off as easy. Here. Fully insulated.
It looks like pretty good material too.
It's got these straps here as well that you can tighten up so they're not slipping off as well. So about the vest already, the pockets with these zippers, they have this like rubber around them. It makes them super sleek and super smooth. I like that. It's not a real heavy vest, but it is lined on the inside as well. It feels super soft. Here's the battery. This one's 100% charged. And the cord is in the pocket. Up, there it is. You're just gonna take this cord and you're gonna plug it in here. All right, and there should be a button as well. So it has these little buttons here. This is the back, and that says front. I don't know if you can see that, but that one says back, and that one says front there. So since I am cold, I'm gonna turn both on. So I'll just push down on them.
There you go.
Until they turn red, and now they're heating up. So now I'll just zip my pocket up and let that heat up. But I will say something. I've seen other jackets and coats of this capacity, heated jackets, heated coats, vest or whatever, and I've seen the battery packs for them, and they are just big battery packs that you're carrying around. You either put them in your back here or whatever. I do like the fact that this is just a little battery pack, and it fits right in your pocket, plugs right in. You don't have to worry about carrying around extra ones. This is 100% charged. We'll see how long it lasts, and we'll let you know on that. So I am gonna put this vest on because it looks like it's getting heated up.
Oh, the gloves are already nice and warm.
Are they?
Look at that fit, wonderful.
All right.
Well, that already feels good. Mine fits perfect.
It does fit you perfect. Mine's a little big, but that's okay.
I think you can put your coat on over
I
that.
I can layer. Definitely put the coats over it, and
Oh,
it
I
keeps
think I
my
would.
core body temperature at a temperature
Yeah.
it needs to be.
I'm telling you.
Oh, that is so warm.
Why didn't we have these this winter or last winter when we were out there freaking hiking in the snow?
So these are a large,
Mine are extra
men's
large.
large. That's okay. I'll wear them anyway. They're gonna be warm. They're a little big for me, but small hands. I can always pull this tab, tighten it up so they don't come off. So tighten these up. They're already warm. It didn't take long at all. Super, super amazing. And this little blue light, I guess, comes on when, I don't know, we have to read the directions on that. But okay, so reading the instructions here on the gloves, it's saying that the red blinking is a preheat. The red solid is high, and it gives you these temperatures on what best it helps with that temperature. And then there's the blue is medium and the low is green. So the level heating can be adjusted by clicking the power button, which is this little button right here. So it's on high. There it goes, it's preheating. and then I can push it once and it goes to medium, push it again and it goes to low. I can't ever imagine that I'm gonna be on low because I love the cold, but I do not like to be cold. So, that's weird, but that's how I roll. So mine is probably always gonna be red. So, it is definitely starting to warm up. This is gonna keep my core warm. These are gonna keep my hands warm. I'm good to go.
And I think you put a coat over that
Definitely.
in the extreme. There you go. That's how you do it right there.
So I need to put my coat on.
Well, I don't know. It looks so good on you, though. Why cover it up? I'm talking
Aw,
about.
that was sweet.
One thing we learned by living up in Colorado is that you layer. That's what we've been doing, learning how to do, because in Texas we never had to do that. So I think these would be a perfect layer. I wonder if you can even just wear them on your bare skin. Oh.
I don't know if I'd do it on my bare skin. They are soft enough though on the inside, and these are super soft as well. I think these are going to be perfect for what we do for hiking and.
Oh yeah.
Whew, I'm already warm.
We're going to use the crap out of these. So far so good.
Yes,
I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 right now.
definitely a 10 out of a 10.
And again, that is Kemimoto. Kemimoto. Probably pronouncing it wrong, but that's probably just my accent. I'd say check it out in the description below. I'll leave the links. We're going to use these all winter long up here in Colorado. This is amazing. So, what do you think so far?
I'm already warm enough.
Sold, huh?
Oh, I'm already warm enough. I probably can take this jacket off.
Yeah, these are amazing. Anyway, I appreciate you hanging around. If you have any questions, leave me some comments below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. You'll probably see in future videos us wearing this all winter long. So, and we'll be talking about them and really enjoying them, because we've been wanting these for a while. But I appreciate you hanging around, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Really do appreciate that. Other than that,
Check these out. Great price. They send everything that you need with them. Easy instructions. Good to go. Amazing product.
other than that, always remember, leave it better than you found it. So until then, I'll see you down the road.